So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the hot topic nowadays in the IT industry, that is how to become a Scrum Master. Nowadays, in IT industry, team leads wants to become a Scrum Master, test lead wants to become a Scrum Master. All the business analysts also needs to convert or come to the role of Scrum Master. So this video will helpful to you guys to become a Scrum Master with easy steps. So don't skip any of the minute for this video. It is very important for you guys who wants to become a Scrum Master. So let's start with the simple steps. Understanding the Scrum and Agile, that is the first step. Second, you should know about the certification and training. Then you should have to have some practical experience in the management. If you don't have that practical experience, don't worry. I'll give some of the uh, videos to become or I'll give some videos to be to have the practical experience as a manager or business analyst, then developing essential skills, then participating in Scrum events. These are five simple steps to become a Scrum Master. We'll discuss that in detail in upcoming slides. So first is understanding the Scrum and Agile. So what exactly the Scrum is? What exactly the Agile is? You should have to know about the Scrum framework or Agile framework. At least you should have to gain some theoretical knowledge about Agile. You can utilize some of the sites like scrum.org to gain some of the knowledge about Scrum and Agile. Okay, so first step is learn about Scrum. Familiarize yourself with Scrum framework by reading the books, articles, or online resources. Understand the roles, events, and artifacts in the Scrum. This is important. What are the multiple roles in the Scrum framework? So there are three roles in the Scrum framework. One is Scrum Master, other is Product Owner, and third is Development Team. So you should know about the roles which are utilized in the Scrum framework. Second is gain agile knowledge. That is most important thing. Learn about agile principles, agile values, which underpin the Scrum methodology. Understand how agile practices differ from the traditional project management. So you require to know about traditional project management as well. How the project has been managed traditionally um, in decades and how it has changed in Scrum methodology or Scrum framework. Okay. Next is about certification and training. Earn a Scrum Master certification such as CSM. So there are two main certifications to become a Scrum Master, that is CSM and PSM. CSM is Certified Scrum Master. PSM is Professional Scrum Master. So apart from that, you require to know about Safe Agile nowadays. Safe Agile is also important. Okay. So earn a Scrum Master certification such as CSM, PSM to show your knowledge and dedication to the Scrum framework. Enhance your understanding of the Scrum and its application by attending the workshop or training sessions with experienced practitioners. So you require to you require to go to your friends who are Scrum Master, who are playing the role of Scrum Master. You require to know what they are doing as a Scrum Master, and accordingly you can take your decision. Next is about the practical experience. You should know about uh, how the real world projects are working in a Scrum Master, working in the real industry, and what is the Scrum Master's role in the real industry. So you should have to gain some practical experience. If you are a developer, you can tell your manager that I want to play Scrum Master role, and you can shadow your Scrum Master. That is a simple way nowadays. So you can shadow your Scrum Master as a first phase, and then in next phase, after some time, after gaining some knowledge, after getting some certifications, you tell your manager that I'm ready to become a Scrum Master now. So you can just give me the role of Scrum Master to play. So this practical experience will help you to grasp the knowledge of the Scrum Master in real world scenarios. These are really very, very important. Real world scenarios are really important. Developing essential skills. So, develop a soft skill. Being a Scrum Master require excellent communication because Scrum Master is at the center place. He has to know about what is facilitation, how to coach your team, how to communicate with the different teams. Work on improving your ability to collaborate with team members and stakeholders. So that is also important as a Scrum Master. Become a servant leader. Servant leader means embrace the role of servant leader who supports the team needs, removes impediments, and facilitate their work. So your team means Scrum Master role is a role where you require to remove all the impediments, any kind of impediments faced by your team. Participating in Scrum events. As a Scrum Master, it is important to take a part in the Scrum events such as daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospective in order to facilitate them effectively. So if in your project you are not working with Scrum framework, but if in other projects they are working with Scrum framework, then go there. You can just participate there daily stand up sometimes. I'm not saying it to participate on daily basis, but sometimes you can participate it. You can check what is the sprint planning, what is sprint review, everything. And practical experience is more important over here. Additionally, one should foster a culture of continuous improvements within the team and stay up to date with latest trends in Agile and Scrum. So in Scrum also there are a lot of things are coming. I have told you about the safe Agile, extreme programming is there. So you require to uh, be with latest trends. Okay, becoming a successful Scrum Master requires a dedication and commitment to learning and growing. So, if you want to become a Scrum Master, successful Scrum Master, it requires dedication, commitment, learning, and growing. So, these are few steps. If you follow these steps, you will 100% become Scrum Master for sure. So thanks for listening to this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and click on bell icon if you like this video.